outside is gorgeous.
That's so awesome. Almost there, Lane, almost there. Putting in 10 degrees of flaps.
Traffic left island is part of the ramp, southbound for medical center, east circle.
Did you understand that?
Nope, I did not. Local traffic, Scott 872, Foxtrot Sierra is turning left base, runway 15, full stop landing, NOCO. Did you understand that?
Yes, I heard every word. Well, I heard it, didn't really understand it. So is a stop and go landing, like they just land and then they fuel up and then take off again?
Stop and go means they come to a complete stop on the runway and then they put the full throttle back in, full throttle, and take off.
Just as like a practice maneuver, or?
Basically, because you're required to get a certain number of takeoffs and landings to stay current. So they're just like, instead of getting off the runway and coming around, I'm just going to stop and...
Gotcha. That's cool.
Okay, here we go. Gonna go 20 degrees of flaps.
Man, we dropped so fast. Holy cow.
That's pretty good wings.
Does that make it a lot harder to land flat?
It can, yeah.
Nicely done. Holy cow. Woo!
Fast.
Holy cow.
Very nice, Colin.
Thanks.
That's gotta be a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah, right.
It is, it's the most intense part of flying.
I'm sure.
But if you go slow enough, you're just kind of, even if you hit it hard, you stay on the ground and it's bad, so.
Stays cold.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just don't want to bounce.
Alright, we got two options. I can drop you off, or there should be porta potties outside.
Go over to the hangar, I'll find a spot. Porta potty or not.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that was softer than I thought it was going to be, but definitely you could tell the wind.
Yeah, it was
kinda
rocking
straightened
us.
out at the last second.
Yeah.
Guess if the front is closer, I might want to...
Okay. Yeah, I've got the, if you go, you know how to get to the bathroom in the jet center?
Yep.
Okay. I'll just pull right up in front of there, and then if you want to come back out and meet us at the hangar.
Yep.
Okay. NOCO traffic, Skyhawk 872, Foxtrot Sierra is clear of the active runway, taxiing via Charlie to the hangars, NOCO. And our briefing is done, clear left, clear right. And always, when exiting the plane, walk behind, please. go ahead and cut it there. Everyone say bye.
Bye bye.
Awesome.
That was so fun.
Woo!
Woohoo!